The Senville LETO 12,000 British thermal units mini split air conditioner is compatible with Alexa, allowing users to control it with voice commands or an app from anywhere in the world. This versatile unit offers a 4-in-1 solution, functioning as an air conditioner, heat pump, dehumidifier, and fan, making it ideal for year-round use. Designed with both performance and aesthetics in mind, the Senville LETO is perfect for bedrooms, living areas, and commercial spaces, providing efficient climate control without sacrificing style. The package includes everything needed for installation, such as the indoor air handler, outdoor condenser, remote control, and a comprehensive installation kit, although professional installation is recommended. With a 5-year warranty on parts and the compressor, Senville ensures peace of mind for buyers while also offering complimentary technical support. The device's SEER 2 rating of 20.8 demonstrates its energy efficiency, making it a smart choice for environmentally conscious consumers.